Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to learn a new concept. Yes, most of the persons in the industry of software, they are going to see to learn how to learn Java. Yes, it's really required information, and we also receiving a queries on a step-by-step procedure to learn Java program. So let's see, with the help of ChatGPT, I'll ask a question how to learn Java, a step-by-step procedure, how ChatGPT will help us, or we will teach you and guide you a step-by-step precautions, what the things you need to take in care about to learn Java. If you are watching first time this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe and support us. Let's see. My question is how to learn Java. That's it. Let's ChatGPT how suggest and help us. We'll see. Yeah, it's initiated. Learning Java can be a great way to start your programming journey. The several steps you can take get started. So as a beginner, what you need to do to start Java? First, you need to understand and set up your development environment. So, a computer system and what Java software is required, and installation of JDK kits. These all are essential for your local computer system where you are practicing, maybe desktop, laptop, or any other computer device. Next one. Learn the basics of Java syntax. How to write, how to start learning the basics by writing the Java syntax. Several resources which are available online, including online tutorials, books, and blogs, forums, video courses. Yes. And YouTube lectures, free YouTube lectures are also there for these all the basics. The next point, practice coding. Once you have the basic understanding of Java syntax, how to write, how to run the program, then it's a time to start writing coding. Start with simple programs such as Hello World program. Gradually work to way to more complex programs like addition of two numbers and by writing subtraction of two numbers and keeping all together in making a calculator program. And join online communities. Yes, joining online communities such as forums, social media groups, and best way to connect with the Java other development teams and professionals who are already working in this industry. Next point is keep learning. Java is consistently evolving language. It's very important, keep learning, stay up to date. Latest development, latest versions you have to go, and conferences, blog updated posts, and latest problem solving skills, how they are solving a critical and typical things that you have to focus. So remember, learning Java process is the time to dedication, the presence and preserve. Can become a proficiency in Java development. So I wish you good luck to start learning by doing. A practical way of writing a code is very essential for beginners. So coding, as you know, that practice makes perfect. So always you try to practice, then you apply your logical skills. If you feel this video lecture is useful to you, please do subscribe and support. Thank you.